keys on the beat.
Gotta get that for me. Gotta get that for me. This smells really good too. It smells really good. Just got out the shower. Look, y'all like my socks. Aren't they cute? They're little Christmas presents. Right now I'm watching some Martin. What else? Just waiting for the people to bring the fridge. I see that empty spot over there. That's where the fridge goes. So we're just waiting for them to come. So it is currently, well, it's 10:11. It's 10:11 and what? Just gonna chill till then. Once they said between 11 and 4, so I guess we'll be just sitting here waiting. Y'all know it may come, it could come earlier, it could come later, you never know. But so that's the plan. Wait for the fridge. Don't have to work today. Woo! No work today. And what? Fridge, no work. Just got the shower, chilling. Should I post this video? I think I'm gonna post this video tonight since it's today, maybe, but we'll see. I ain't recording you, Otis. That's some good cream of wheat, some bread it is. That's what we eating for breakfast. And yeah, it's very good. Very good.
Fucking chicken. Okay, choking chicken.
No shoes on the carpet. We're catching up on the Now That's TV. My feet kicked up. Her feet kicked up. Fire going. We chilling. Watching Gucci. You love Gucci? Ooh, Gucci, she don't love you. The fridge is here, guys. The fridge is here. Summer, if they're not ready to attack us, you don't have to bark, sister. Shh. Chill out, it's okay. Oh, they quick. Oh, they dolly falling. They look like
too big.
I mean, it look like it.
Kinda.
It does. Well, we ain't got no choice. We already got it now. What?
Maybe it'll come out further than we.
No, I'm talking about the whiteness. She's don't bark. Alright, they hear you, they see you. Be quiet.
Yeah.
They're so scared. Be quiet. Oh yeah. Look. Is this, you see it? It's fine. Summer, be quiet. That was quick, fast, and great. Look at our lovely fridge, guys. I was so scared that it wouldn't fit.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we gotta scoot it over.
Oh, definitely.
It's not open. Huh? That's probably why. Cause what? Let me see. Can I open now? Okay. Yeah. Just do it like that. And that should be good. Let me see. Open it. Let's see if it open like that. Yeah. Just leave it like that. Here she go. What are you doing? It smell like new.
New fridge.
You still trying to pull it. Can I look? Come on now. What's this say? Do not remove this label. This label to be removed by customer only. We are the customers. Customers checklist. Take it, be sure to turn. Oh, it says you do not. If you are not going to be using the ice maker, be sure to turn the ice maker off. If not, a buzzing sound will be heard from the water valve of the refrigerator. Okay. Jesus, I never knew it was a war to take plastic out of a fridge. Go ahead, be my guest, sister. Let me take my dog out of her cage. I got her messed up. Huh, say I'm the house protector of this house and I could bark at whoever I want. And when we're trying to get things, you can't bark at the people. Come on, get in your bed, sister. They gone. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Let's start off nice. Sit down. Oh my God, sit down. See, they're just bringing us a new fridge. Just like you barked at the people that bring us the couch and the fireplace. It's okay. We're not mad at you, girl. You can bark, but you gotta chill. When we say be quiet, just be quiet.
Go connect it to Wi-Fi.
Connected to Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi gonna do?
They say connect to Wi-Fi. Smart things. It's a smart fridge.
Trust me, do not buy this juice. It's so Minute Maid. These used to be so fire. I'm telling y'all. I used to always get peach, and it wouldn't be in the house for more than a day. My own carton to myself. But now, it's just not good.
One drawer.
Oh, one drawer. Two drawers. Look, it's always the over.
Yeah. Nice.
few moments later.
Get stuck in my shoe and I'd be so sad. What is this right?
Please get away from me with that. That's cause they got the big lines in the thing. But we just went to the store. We got a few little things. Just what? For right now. Let's put up in this thing. The thing. Cause you see that it is empty. So yeah.
Tell them bye-bye to our Patreon.
I'm not telling nobody anything. I'm about to end this video so I can edit and post it. So I told her not to get those. That's the thing. She don't listen. All she want to do is eat. It's gonna be her 4th time eating today. She think money grow on trees.
For cookies.
Money does not grow on trees. That's not very dimmer. This cup. I don't know. It's gonna be what it is. But man, my head hurts. I'm tired. Right about now. So just stepped away and call it. No, we're not calling it a night because it's only 5:30. See you guys later. See you guys later. Say see you guys later. Anyways, she's I don't know. She always thinks that I don't know. She really want me to say something to her so she could go high speed running. But we're not doing that right now. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We're on the road to 20K. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Follow me on my Instagram, SheStupidThickk 2Ks, same as my Snapchat and my TikTok, and follow me on my Twitch. Take season with the 3 at the end. That's gonna be the end of this video. We're gonna put these lovely groceries away. Well, this could be my thumbnail, and then I'll get back to y'all when I get back. Oh, I never ate those honey bunches of oats, huh?
Oh, no?
Never. I forgot about them. So maybe now I'll put it on the fridge so I can see it so I won't forget. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Be back again with another one for you guys next time. Peace.
Okay, bye.